How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about two e-commerce platforms, or I should say domain and hosting platforms, being Bluehost and Shopify. So we'll be going over the key features of the two and see what exactly sets them apart from each other. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So right before we get into the video, I just want to quickly mention that we're giving away 75% off your very first Bluehost plan plus a free domain using our affiliate code link down in the description below. So if you guys want to learn more about that, be sure to check out that link as it greatly supports the channel. Now back to the video. So Bluehost and Shopify. Now these two couldn't be even more far apart than I could describe. So Bluehost was actually built for hosting all kinds of websites. So when it comes to the aspect of versatility and flexibility, let's say that you want to have a hosting site for your for web content management or CRM or e-commerce even, then obviously Bluehost is the one to opt for. Whereas Shopify was made with online shopping in mind. So Shopify was built specifically for online stores and e-commerce. So if you guys were looking to start a dropshipping business or whatnot, then obviously Shopify is the one to opt for. Now, as far as the features go, let's talk about it. So when it comes to the online store builder aspect, both platforms actually have this kind of support, as well as web hosting and content delivery network. However, I will say that Shopify is more versatile when it comes to multi-language support, as Bluehost only comes in English. Shopify also has the added bonus of accelerated checkout when you're trying to buy something from an online store. It also comes with the support for integrated POS, e-commerce tools, and omni-channel features. Now, when it comes to blogging, that's a different story, because Bluehost kind of specializes in this aspect. So Bluehost has a built-in hosting domain for, or I should say hosting integration for blog posts and blogging websites. But putting that aside, if we were to move into the territory of SEO, then Shopify takes the cake here. Also, when it comes to payment gateways, both of them are pretty much the same. Although I would have to say that it really depends on what type of business model that you guys are running for your store or whatever online. But if you were looking to start like an online store, then obviously Shopify is the one to opt for. Now, as far as security goes for SSL certificates, both of them have the support for this, as well as the plugins for the websites, as well as the detailed reporting and 24/7 customer support. Now, at the end of the day, it's going to depend on what you guys need it for. Obviously, if you're looking to have a hosting or domain site for your web content management site or CRM, then go for Bluehost. But if you're going for something like an online store, then Shopify is the one to go for, no question. So yeah, there you guys have it. That's Bluehost versus Shopify. So hopefully you learned something in this video. And before we end it here, I just want to quickly remind you guys that you can get 75% off your very first Bluehost plan plus a free domain using our affiliate code link down in the description below. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.